SureMotion linear rails from Automation Direct provide a tough and yet forgiving way to achieve linear motion in harsh environments. The LV Series V-shaped guide track is what makes this product ideal for heavy debris environments. Debris simply slides out of the way during linear travel. High-strength aluminum alloy V-carriages are available in 3 sizes and include 2 concentric and 2 adjustable eccentric V-wheels. These carriage wheels feature double row ball bearings and carbon chromium bearing steel hardened and tempered V-groove and raceways. LV Series guide tracks are available in 3 sizes, matching the V-carriages in length up to 1256 millimeters, and are constructed from high carbon bearing steel with hardened and precision ground surfaces. The LU Series are available in crowned or double V-shaped wheels and require no lubrication, making these products ideal for applications where there is processed debris, but no foreign mechanism oils are allowed. The guide tracks and carriages come in 3 sizes and 2 styles, the LUC and LUV, and are intended to work in tandem with each other for better forgiveness when used with unaligned frames and components. Anodized aluminum carriages are available with crown or double V-shaped wheels. 3, 4, or 5 wheel options are offered with 1 or 2 adjustable eccentric wheels and include felt wipers to clear and exclude debris. The wheels include single-row shielded ball bearings, 440C stainless steel hubs, and polymer overmolded tread. The LU Series anodized finished aluminum guide tracks are available in 2 cross-sections, C or V, with lengths up to 1520 millimeters and can be butted end-to-end for longer travel. All of these features make the LU Series ideal for food, paper, or fabric processing and cleanroom applications. Click here to see all linear motion components, and click here to see our award-winning support options. And click here to subscribe.